welcome to my kitchen. I'm Tiara. It's almost Thanksgiving here, and hopefully I'll be able to get this video up before actual Thanksgiving, because today we're going to be making the best pumpkin pie. Now I have to give a big shout out to my friend Susan, who X amount of years ago sent me this recipe, which I have used with just a couple of small tweaks over the past several years to make the most delicious pumpkin pie. So pumpkin pie is a custard type pie, so there's no kind of flour. It can be pretty much gluten-free as long as you're making a gluten-free crust. Speaking of which, I have a video up of 2 different pie crust types that you can make, and either of those crusts will work with this pie. So I'll drop a link into the video information for that video so that you can find that to make the pie crust. So with that said, let's go ahead and run through the ingredients and we will get started. We have one 15-ounce can of pumpkin, one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. We're going to use 1 whole egg plus 3 egg yolks, a half teaspoon of salt, and then this is my seasoning mix. It is 1/4 teaspoon of mace. If you don't have mace, you can use nutmeg, that's fine. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, and 1/8 teaspoon or a large pinch of Chinese 5-spice. If you don't have Chinese 5-spice, go buy some is my suggestion, or you can use a small pinch of ground star anise, ground cloves, and white pepper to substitute. But trust me, it's just easier on your life and in general to get Chinese 5-spice because you can use it for so many different things for cooking. All right, speaking of, let's get started. Folding the excess over and pinching the ends. Between my fingers in kind of a star shape. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the fridge. All right, first thing we're gonna do is whisk together our eggs plus egg white. If you're making a sweet potato casserole, you can use the egg whites to make a homemade marshmallow topping. Otherwise, you can just cook them and eat them, or do whatever else you like with it. Mixed our spices. our salt. Now our can of condensed milk. Pour our filling into our pie shell. So these look a little high right now, but the pie shell is going to shrink as it bakes, so it'll be okay. I'm going to wrap the edges with foil. And we will bake at 425 degrees for 15 minutes, and then we will lower the heat to 350 degrees, and then bake for between 30 to 40 more minutes. It will still be jiggly in the middle when you bring it out, but it will firm up as it cools. Okay, our pie is out of the oven and it looks really good. I wound up sliding it onto a cookie sheet to take it out of the oven because, as I said before, it is actually quite jiggly when it first comes out. So putting the pie sheet under it helps you to kind of stabilize it and keep it from slipping out of your hands or breaking or cracking or anything like that. All right, we're all done with baking pumpkin pie for today. So I hope you will try this recipe because I really do think that it's the best pumpkin pie recipe out there. And I hope that you will let me know what you think. I'd love to see pictures of your pies. And join me over the next couple of weeks as we continue to bake a bunch of fun holiday things. There will definitely be more pies. Plus we'll do a beginner sugar cookie decorating video that'll show some easy and simple tips on how to get started with decorating sugar cookies, which are all fun and sometimes frustrating, but mostly fun thing to do and make a great gift for friends and family. So please like the video, subscribe if you're on YouTube or on Facebook, follow my page there. I'm also on Instagram at There and Bake, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.